Hello with everyone. Uh, Welcome to this video, and I'm going to start my assignment for my project of W02 uh, of the course of Backend Development. For this opportunity, I'm going to share with you and I want to show you my database. And for the start, we need to connect our server, and this is my server. And I have different activities. In this part we could see the account type, and for my tables I have two tables: account, classification, and inventory. Here in the inventory we could see that is running my database. Okay, here is running. It is running my database. I want to close because we want to see my classification is running too. Yeah, here is our data and the account. We could see the data too. Here is I don't have for now a data, but this is the titles or the IDs that we have for this part. So my database is connected with render. This is my database in render, and I'm going to delete my database. So we need to copy that and delete the database. Okay, my database is deleted, and for the PGADM I'm going to close to. I'm going to delete this database. Okay, here we could remove server, and the server is delayed too. So we need to create a new database, and I'm going to create with Postgres, and the name for this activity is okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I am looking. I'm going to copy that title. Okay, this is the name. We could choose the name for our database, and I'm going to copy that in this part, and it says that we can have a space, so only delete the spaces. So for this part we don't need to put here in free. Yeah, click in free, and we will create our database. Oh yeah, the user. I will put my name and the user. Okay, my name Bruce Melendez, and I will create the podcast. So at this moment it's created, yeah, the database, and it's creating, and we need to wait for create. So I will stop the video. Okay, my database is up available. So the information that we need is this part. Okay, so I'm going to open here in my Podest and add a new server. So for this part, I will copy. So the name of my database is that. Yeah, this is the name. We could see in this part. Oh, we could use that. That is okay. So I will paste here. Okay, I will paste in that part, and we need to go to the connections. And this part is so important because we will uh, copy that part and paste here. So we need to delete this part there. I'm going to delete this part. Only this is the all that we need. So in the port we don't need to delete nothing because we have the same port in this part. Yeah, and I will copy the maintain database is that and the username is my username. Need to copy and paste. And for this part, we have here the password. So it's very important that the password is confidential, so we don't need to show for the video. And for the parameters, we need to put here required, and this is all that we need to create our database. So I'm going to click and save, and the database automatically is created. So okay, I need to open here. I want to open here in schemas. We have this part public, and the types. I need to create a type. So the name that we choose is here because we create before a database, and we have here in our VS Code all the code. So yeah, that is here. We need to put enumeration, and yeah, sorry. Okay, here in types we need to carry two. That will open that part. We need to copy our code. Yeah, so we will copy, and that is all, and we run our code. And did notice type public account that doesn't exist, keeping alert type, query return successful. Okay, our database or types is correct created, and I'm going to, we could close that And when we put here, we have our contact. The next things that we need to do is in the table. Now we don't have any table. So I'm going to open query tool and I'm going to copy all of this, and I have for this part this tags because previously I did an activity, and this is the two tasks that we need to copy in our final database. I will put in copy and I'm going to paste. Here we have all the data and I'm going to put and run. So the query returned successfully in 49 microseconds. And we put here and refresh, and we have here the information and view all roles, and we have all data for this part. View all roles, and we have all the data for this part, and view all rows, and we have the data in this part. So we have our database is running. It is running, and yep, that is all that we need for this part. And uh, I did this task for an activity previously I did, because here I have the other part. I create an a client. The name is Tony Stark, and I add like an admin, and then I delete. So this is the activity 4, and activity 5, and the activity 6. That is all. That is all that I did. Thank you for watching my video. This is my database.